InVideo AI Review, Usage Experience. Links to InVideo AI are included in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed review of InVideo AI, a platform designed to simplify video creation through artificial intelligence. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner, this tool promises to save time and deliver professional quality results. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. InVideo AI is an intuitive platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline video creation. It's particularly useful for users who want high-quality videos but lack advanced editing skills or the time to craft them from scratch. The platform offers an extensive library of templates for various use cases, including social media posts, ads, presentations, and tutorials. You simply choose a template, input your content, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. One of the standout features of InVideo AI is its script-to-video capability. With this tool, you can paste your script and the AI automatically generates a video by matching your text to relevant visuals, animations, and music. It even suggests dynamic transitions and layouts, helping you create engaging content in minutes. For marketers, this is a game changer, as it enables you to produce polished promotional materials effortlessly. The customization options are another strong point. While the AI handles most of the process, you can tweak everything from text placement to colors and fonts, ensuring the final product aligns with your brand identity. InVideo AI also integrates with royalty-free libraries like Unsplash and Shutterstock, giving you access to millions of stock images and videos. InVideo AI is designed for content creators, small businesses, and marketing teams looking to enhance their video production without a steep learning curve or significant expense. While it's not a replacement for professional-grade tools like Adobe Premiere Pro for highly intricate projects, it's an excellent solution for quick, visually appealing videos. Overall, InVideo AI is a powerful tool that combines ease of use with professional results. If you're searching for an AI-driven platform to elevate your video content, InVideo AI is worth exploring. Links to try it out are in the description. Check it out and see how it fits your needs.